Now the next thing that anyone can do inside ChatGPT is write and edit documents. ChatGPT can help generate reports, create blog posts, articles or essays, and also create cohesive summaries. And most importantly, it can proofread documents, provide insight, and improve clarity and readability. It can help improve your tone and ultimately improve the final product. Now this use of ChatGPT is one that most people have probably already tried, and that's utilizing ChatGPT to do writing or proofreading documents. So here I have a prompt of write a 500-word blog post on the future of AI in education, explaining its impact on teachers, students, and learning outcomes. And what you're gonna find is not only is it gonna write the post at the specific length that you want, it's going to target the areas based on the prompt that were requested. So if you're going to have a prompt, you want to make sure it's as specific as possible so the AI can begin to develop content. And here we have this document that's been created: impacts on teachers, impacts on students, improving learning outcomes, and a conclusion, a balanced approach to AI in education. So with that text, we may want to ask some additional prompts and also begin to identify new ways of refining this document. So let's take a few steps. So the first thing you might find is that there is a particular paragraph within the document created that needs additional work, clarity, or tone. So I'm going to look at the paragraph on impacting teachers' AI as a classroom assistant, and it says one of the most significant benefits of AI in education is the potential to alleviate teacher workloads. Educators often juggle lesson planning, grading, administrative tasks, leaving little time for personal instruction. And so I'm going to take this and I'm just going to take that section and I've created a prompt: proofread and improve the clarity and tone of the following paragraph. So put some semicolons here. And then it proceeds to give it to me. One of the greatest advantages of AI in education is its ability to reduce teachers' workloads, allowing them to focus more on meaningful instruction. Educators constantly balance lesson planning, grading, student support, and administrative responsibilities, often leaving little time for personalized teaching. By automating routine tasks and providing intelligent insights, AI enables teachers to dedicate more attention to student engagement and individualized learning. So that's a much deeper response based on improving the clarity and tone. When you are writing, there are a number of AI tools in addition to ChatGPT that can help support you. I would recommend using a prompt. Please provide several resources to support this document and identify the URL and the key content from the sources. Now you could pair a prompt like that with a Notebook LM tool from Google, but you can also begin the process here in ChatGPT. So here we have, certainly here are resources that support the discussion on AI and the future of AI in education, highlighting its impact on teachers and learning outcomes. And here we have the NetGuru article from December 19, 2024. And it talks about what the article is. Here's the blog at tcea.org. AI and education impact on teachers, the impact of artificial intelligence on higher education, how it is transforming learning. Key content: this article concerns about AI replacing teachers, clarifying that AI is intended to complement and enhance educators' abilities. So there's also Education Next and the Class Point. So here I have now some resources that if I wanted to add clarity to the document that I've written, I could integrate one of these resources and make it a little bit more on my own. So let me find one. So let's go with AI and education impact on teachers. So it explores the benefits of AI in education, such as personalized learning. So I could go to this document, I could go to this website, and I'm going to take this text, go back to my article, and it says, please cite this text from the second article. I'm going to say directly and integrate it to my document. So now it's giving me a revision, and let's see how it cited the text. And here's the citation. As noted in TCEA's blog on AI in education, the classroom has already gone digital. Over the past decade, teachers have been leveraging a wide array. So it takes that direct quote, the website and then begins to give it context within what I've written. This is definitely a great first step to take an AI article and start to make it your own, finding additional resources and sources. One thing that I think that goes underutilized is utilizing transcripts. So utilizing a tool like Otter AI and then taking an actual transcript or text-based transcript and then bringing it into ChatGPT and then using it to create not only a more organized version of your transcript, but also a version which you can turn into an article. So here I have a transcript that I have taken from an online class that I've taught. I have the courses recorded and I have the transcript. Now what I can do is I can utilize this transcript to actually create lesson notes. So I'm going to take this transcript. This is very long. It's a multi-hour course, but I'm going to take probably about 20-30 minutes of the course. And this is just the beginning. I'm going to take that text out and then I'm going to go back to ChatGPT. And within ChatGPT, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a transcript from my online course or any other transcript, and I'm going to say, please identify the key learning moments and points from this course transcript. And what I can do is I can actually then give this to students if they're interested in having a recap. So here it's giving me a course structure and organization of how I did an introduction, a course format and delivery, updating a syllabus, and talking about some programming and learning and assessment and how I was approaching that, terms around student success and engagement, and also some final takeaways. So this is some great stuff that you can utilize, but also your students can benefit and learn from. Also, if you're ever in a meeting and you have permission to actually record the meeting or record anything in which you get a transcript, you can then utilize that text as a way to bringing it into ChatGPT and really getting some great documents.